Unveiling the mystery of mudflats. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of mudflats. If you've ever been to a coastal area or seen images of vast expanses of mud during low tide, then you've likely seen mudflats. Let's learn more about what they are and why they're essential. Mudflats, also known as tidal flats, are flat coastal areas where sediments, mainly mud, accumulate. These areas are submerged underwater during high tide but are exposed during low tide. Because of this constant change, mudflats are unique environments that support a rich variety of life. Mudflats play a vital role in the ecosystem. 1. Biodiversity hotspot. They serve as habitats for various organisms, including birds, fish, and invertebrates. Birds, especially migratory ones, use mudflats as feeding and resting grounds. 2. Natural filters. Mudflats help in filtering pollutants from water, ensuring cleaner seas and oceans. 3. Coastal defense. They act as natural buffers, reducing the impact of waves and preventing coastal erosion. While mudflats is the central term, there are a few other related words that you might come across. Tidal flats, another name for mudflats. Estuary, where a river meets the sea or ocean. Mudflats are often found here. Silt, fine particles of rock and dirt carried by water and deposited on mudflats. To understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. During our trip to the coast, we saw birds feeding on the mudflats at low tide. 2. The mudflats play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the coastal ecosystem. 3. Many artists find inspiration from the serene beauty of exposed mudflats during sunset. And there you have it. The next time you hear the term mudflats, not only will you know what it means, but you'll also appreciate its importance in the grand scheme of things. We hope this video shed light on the intriguing world of mudflats. Stay curious and keep learning.